Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the introduction of thermodynamics. Now, what is thermodynamics? So thermodynamics comprises of two parts, thermo and dynamics. Thermo means heat, dynamic means power or work done. So the interaction between heat and work is called thermodynamics. Now before we get into the thermodynamics and the laws of thermodynamics, we need to know why do we need thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a discipline. Why do we need thermodynamics? Now thermodynamics is a discipline with an exceptionally wide range of applicability. So physics engineers needs thermodynamics, chemistry engineers needs thermodynamics, and material engineers needs thermodynamics, because we want to know how does the interaction is taking place between the heat and work and the flow of temperature from which state to which state. So in all these fields we need how does the work and heat are interacting. Also we want to know how could we achieve the maximum theoretical efficiency from an engine via thermodynamics. Also, why the air becomes thinner and colder at higher altitudes. Why is it impossible to measure a temperature below minus 273 degrees Celsius? These questions are very important if we are dealing with the material, substances and all the things which are happening in the universe. So we need to know what does thermodynamics really mean. Also before get into the main core of thermodynamics and its laws, we need to know what a system and a surrounding is. So universe comprises of two parts, system and surroundings. If we take an example of a room where a teacher and his or her students are interacting with each other, we take the room as a system. The rest of apart from the system is its surroundings, and the separation, the wall which divides system and surroundings is called boundary wall. If we look at it technically or diagrammically, we would know how does interaction between heat and work are taking place in a system and its surroundings. So we have a closed system. This is the boundary of a system, or we can say it as control volume, and heat is going into the system and we produce work done which is done by the system. So the closed room is the system and rest of it is surroundings. So system is a part where the thermodynamic processes are taking place. Surrounding is the rest part of the universe, and the boundary wall which is separating the system and the surroundings is called the boundary. Thank you.